Beautiful Nature poem by Neha. Nature anyone has seen, so green, calm and peaceful. Relaxing and meditating feels so great. Being around it feels like heaven. It makes us forget all our pains and stress. When I walk through the woods, I feel like all the trees, leaves and branches are my friends. When hit by a gentle breeze, it looks like dancing and waving at and welcoming me. Nature is really beautiful creation of God. It gives humankind fresh air, wood, fruits, all free of cost. Being around it feels like heaven. It makes us forget all our pains and stress.